In this video, you will see how users can interact with Propel directly from within their design tool. Here, we are a supplier, responsible for a part of the product design. We are using Onshape, a cloud-based CAD system. As part of our workflow, we will pull part numbers, push the bill of material, and add attachments. Right within the design tool, we can see the integration with Propel in the right panel. Here we see the same BOM structure as our design tree. And notice that there are several components missing a part number. I can quickly select categories for each of the items, and with one click, I can request a part number from Propel, returning not only the number, but also providing a link to the respective import session. The session provides me with all sorts of important information aligned to each step. Results, preview, mapping, and files are all automated as a part of this integration. In Onshape, each component has a link to the item in Propel. Here I can see all the data that is brought over. Which fields you want to map are defined as a part of the setup. Let's fast forward to where I have now completed my design and am ready to push the BOM to Propel. After selecting the centrifuge assembly parent, I am sent to the assembly item and can switch to the BOM tab, where all the components match what is in Onshape. Back in my design tool, I have made a drawing of the assembly. Watch how a refresh brings in the Propel information right into the Onshape drawing. Now I need to add the drawing as an attachment to the item. Right from the panel, I can quickly select what I would like to send to Propel. Notice that the drawing can be generated as a PDF and is automatically added to the item. Inside Propel, let's review that new attachment and annotate the drawing to provide some feedback to the rest of the team. What you just saw was Propel Design Hub's integration with Onshape, automating part number generation, pushing the BOM structure, and adding attachments.